test is done in the airport as well. Layer of the lake is frozen right now. In the winter season, it's all full of snow. So this is what keeps you warm.
हमको आदत है.
आदत
ये
है.
किसान है ना, हम किसान.
Anyway, I can do it every day. Hi. This is so peaceful over here.
एकदम ब्यूटीफुल है. एकदम बढ़िया कश्मीर है.
ये जन्नत है.
यहाँ पे देख लीजिए सर कितना ब्यूटीफुल जगह है.
2 ही महीने के बाद फिर हम कश्मीर आना चाहेंगे.
पूरा मजा आता है. कश्मीर के लिए सेफ है टूरिज्म.
हम भी इंसान हैं.
हम अपना जान देगा, कुछ
आंच नहीं आने
देगा.
कश्मीर का सुंदर भी है ना.
जन्नत का नजारा.
Oh, let's go. If you are planning a trip to Kashmir, you can reach there by road, or else there is an airport in Srinagar, Kashmir, so you can take flight also. You can do COVID test before reaching Kashmir, but the good part is that there is COVID test done for everyone in Srinagar airport itself. A quick COVID test is done in the airport as well, though we have RT-PCR reports from yesterday. 7 days are definitely not enough to experience Kashmir. Here I present my itinerary of 7 days. Sonmarg is closed during winter time, and you can visit to Srinagar, Gulmarg and Pahalgaon and staying 2 nights in each of the locations. Let's go into more details of each of these locations. Srinagar has the airport and it's a place popular for its lakes, especially Dal Lake. Stay in wooden houseboats in the lakes. In Srinagar, Kashmir, it's really a vibe and people love to stay in houseboats. Vibrant shikara and the most scenic and peaceful shikara rides. Floating markets in the lake, local food, local shopping and whatnot. It's negative temperature. The sun is the savior. And if you want some peace, you can always choose Nigin Lake, which is a wonderful choice, I must say. कौन सा लेक है?
निगिन.
Added to that, there is old city area, multiple waterfronts, mosques, gardens, etc. Winter is not the best time for all the activities, flowers and the colors, but trust me when I say winter has its own charm and it's incredible. It's so much white, cozy, romantic and beautiful. Pahalgam is a hill station in Kashmir and it is completely different from Srinagar. My expectations were low here, but what we experienced was majestic and a true paradise. The place is popular for its scenic valleys, stunning landscapes, the Lidder River, treks, snow activities, pony rides, etc. There is Chandanwari. We have come to another valley. This is the place from where Amarnath Yatra starts. You can see the golden color of the sunset. There is Aru Valley and the Aru Wildlife Sanctuary. Very much confused. We have parked our vehicle. जाने आने में half an hour लगेगा. And the most gorgeous Betab Valley through which the Leader River runs. One can go for pony ride or trek to Baisaran Valley, which is also known as India's mini Switzerland. Quite a commercial place. There are a lot of people over here. This is the first phase. I think it's in 10,000 feet. It's so full of snow, and I can see one peak over there. That's the top of this mountain, I guess. Gulmarg is a hill station near to Srinagar. It's all white during winter as it receives significant snowfall. Snow looked like a vast white sheet stretching far away over the fields. There are multiple choices of snow activities. It's quite commercial, but you can always find your own space to play in the snow. So you can go for local sightseeing as well. But we prefer to do this. Yeah. And this is the best to explore Gulmarg during winter time. There are various snow activities to try while in Gulmarg. Oh, there are a lot of people over here. I think here we are going to practice a little bit before we go deeper inside. I have no clue. This is my completely first time. Tourists really enjoy to learn very basic skiing in 30 minutes and try to do it with the help of their trainer. It takes days and practice to learn skiing if you are enthusiastic about it. There are several schools and resorts where you can do actual skiing course in Gulmarg. It's quite safe. So you have all the trainers. After 5 days probably I'll be able to start doing it alone. We particularly loved the snow scooter to climb down the 7 kilometers to reach the base. It was so adventurous. क्या करना है फिर से पता? Shikara ride in Srinagar will instantly calm you down. The ride relaxed us completely in that moment. The colors of the sunset reflected so beautifully in the lake, and so were the reflections of the houseboats and the vibrant shikaras in the lake. It is not only for the tourists but part of regular local life in Srinagar. While you are doing shikara ride, some seller in their own shikara will come close to you to sell their stuffs. So I have this one, they call it Kamal Dandi. इसको नादरू बोलते हैं कश्मीरी language. So these are lotus seeds. I'm doing it only for 5 minutes and I think I'm already exhausted. I don't know how he is doing it for so long, for hours. This is one of the most unique thing I have seen and experienced while in Kashmir. You have to come really early in the morning and I think it's around 7 or 7:30 AM right now, and as you can see there are many boats around. It's a wonderful experience, it's quite unique. क्या बोलते हैं इसे?
Farran.
Farran.
Kashmiri Farran.
Kashmiri traditional dress. Never miss the chance to take photos in local Kashmiri getup. You can always go for this, where you can wear the traditional Kashmiri dress and take the pictures. It's totally worth it. You don't even know how you will look like in the traditional Kashmiri dress. So how do I look in this Kashmiri dress? I'm going to finish it all. So on the way, we are having this garam roti. The namkeen chai. If you are non-vegetarian and if you like mutton dishes, Kashmiri Wazwan food preparation is an art in itself. It is available almost everywhere and those are the tastiest non-vegetarian dishes. Rogan Josh, Gosht Taba, Kashmiri Pulao, I tried everything. It was super awesome. And when in Kashmir, don't forget to try kahwa. Even simple hot food tastes better when it's very cold outside. It's very cold outside and this hot food is so yum. So this is the lane going towards floating market here in Dal Lake. We have purchased so many items already that our luggages are full.
बाद इंशाल्लाह जब घर जाएगा
तो अच्छे memories लेके जाएंगे. Kashmir is famous for art, artists and Kashmiri culture.
Ma'am, this is more warmer compared to all that.
क्या price है बताइए? People do purchase traditional outfit fairan, wooden items, shawls and other warm wear, jewelry, etc.
I like these.
Need cozy clothes if you are traveling to Kashmir during winter time. Please keep some separate budget for shopping because I'm sure you won't be able to resist purchasing items while in Kashmir. And in Kashmir, they are really good salesmen, huh?
ये Honda City है ये BMW है.
And we all know Kashmir is famous for carpets.
डिजाइन एक से बढ़कर एक.
We have purchased something. We are not going to show you right now. You'll be able to see this in our Gulmarg video. Kashmir is famous for saffron, also known as kesar, and there are multiple authentic places to buy that. While going to Pahalgaon, you will see saffron fields. Finally, let me give you some idea about the budget if you are planning a trip to Kashmir. So the flight from Delhi to Srinagar is quite reasonable and varies from 2,500 to 5,000 per person one way. The hotels or homestays usually includes the breakfast and dinner. If you are booking through a travel agency, you will be paying somewhere around 30,000 to 40,000 for two people, which will include the hotels plus cab. There are various activities to do in Kashmir. Let's say if you are in Srinagar, you would definitely want to go for a shikara ride and it costs you somewhere around 500 to 700 per hour. In Gulmarg, it is most likely that you will be spending the most. You can go for skiing and it will cost you somewhere around 3,000 per person. You can opt for snow scooter, which is total fun, and it will cost you around 3,500 per person. You can also opt for a guide. It is optional. You can also rent jacket and boot. Now jacket is optional because if you have a good jacket it's fine, but renting a snow boot is mandatory because you will be going and playing in the snow and it will cost you around 250 per person. Your vehicle might not be able to reach to your accommodation because of road condition during thick snow. Now hotel cab pickup and drop will cost you around 500. The cable car, which is the famous gondola ride in Gulmarg, there are two phases. The phase 1 which will cost you around 750 per person and phase 2 which is again 950 per person. In Pahalgaon, there are various places to visit. Some you can reach by pony ride and some you can visit by car. Now car is really reasonable. Pony ride is little expensive, but then again it's their only source of income. Kashmir. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for further notifications. More videos coming real soon, so stay tuned.